You can hear my footsteps. That just ruined the little opening shot we have of everything here. Our fleet of crap is expanding now. Yeah, we're starting this video off here. We picked up this absolutely mint condition, gutted interior 96 Grand Cherokee for $3,000 a couple weeks ago. Yeah, those are not beadlocks, those are rock rings. You Google, you'll find the difference if you don't know what they are. Surprisingly, runs, drives, everything seems to work fine. It's the scary part is the Dana 44A rear axle and Dana 30 front, both of which are locked, but at least there's like extra diff covers. You've got like Iron Rock off-road diff covers in the front. The rear might be, I think he reinforced the rear diff cover, and we're not leaking any more fluids now, which is the good news, since that was my side project, and that's why we don't have a normal video this weekend. I probably could have made a video off of it, but I chose not to. So this is what we picked up. Until yesterday it was leaking ATF, or until actually about 10 minutes ago it was leaking ATF kind of. I'll go show you a mess in the garage, but we don't have any more cherry red splotches underneath it, so I think our mission to fix the ATF leak has been successful. Walk back towards the garage, maybe blur a license plate or two, I don't know. There's my Passat, which we're getting rid of. There's the F-150, which is also hopefully going to be selling soon. I'm trying to sell it, because we're replacing that F-150 with a 2022 F-150 with a max tow package, and we're going to get a car hauler so we can drag the Jeep across the country and go do fun off-road stuff. Hopefully. I say that, probably going to break everything. What we were working on today, which is why we don't have a normal video, is the last owner had hoses, hose clamped to hoses, clamped to hoses, and that was leaking ATF on us, which wasn't being fun. So yeah, other reason we're not going to have normal videos, snow right now is like, it's like 30 degrees out, so it's this wet, sugary, sticky crap, where, at least with RC cars, it just sticks to everything and everything gets caked on and it kind of gets ruined. Real cars, they like to get stuck. Not good to know that I do anything fun. You can see where I decided to drive the Jeep back through the yard here when I first got it, because I'm impatient. Do some walking here. It's been 2 minutes. We'll come to our professionally supervised official gun range, safe usage, whatever. We'll see if we're going to get demonetized for this. This video is going to be an experiment here, since unfortunately it's been too, weather's been too not cooperative to really do much else. But we got our new target there from Magnum Targets, and we're going to see if we can charge the pistol one-handed. We've got our Magnum target there, and I got some Dawson precision sights I just put on my CZ P09. We'll see if we can actually hit it. Nope. My aim sucks with handguns. We had a failure to feed on some Federal aluminum 115 grain failed to feed on us. That's honestly the first time I've ever had that happen. But yeah, we'll do a little experiment there. We'll see if this is allowed to stay monetized for a professional gun range in Siberia, where, yeah, there's freaking nothing out here. So we have that. We've got some grass showing through, which may or may not be completely dead by the time winter's gone now, because it's still getting down like 20 below tomorrow. And we don't have snow insulating our grass anymore. But yeah, there's our video for this weekend. We're trying filming, as you can maybe see from the shadow there now. I bought a stick to put the phone on, so now we're not holding the phone with our hands. And maybe the video looks and sounds slightly better now if we're not blocking microphones, because, yeah, we're professional here and we're filming on like an iPhone. I don't know what, iPhone XR ZYQ LGBTAI something or other. I have got no idea what it is. But short video, we'll see if it stays monetized. Trying to keep up with weekend upload schedules, but the weather is not weather and other projects not cooperating so much with wanting to play with these things, and got a bit too much work to do in the basement. We'll go check out the basement course actually next, since I have a crawler course down there. We'll go see how that's coming along. Okay, we have moved to the basement now, where we have our pile of rims, our course for jumping that little Charisma, the Make Me Not Fat machine over there. And now we've got this thing. Where this is at is on that P09 we were just shooting. I was putting Dawson precision sights on it, and the amount of time it took me to get the stock sights to come out of that was incredibly frustrating. And they were stuck in there good, so by the time I came out of there, I didn't really... we weren't doing anything else. But yeah, for now, where we stand with this, I guess I can turn the lights on, is we've got some painting we need to do still. Let's see. Oh, forgot. Lights are all the way over here in this room. I've been down here in a while. Where this currently stands is we need to do some painting on it to try and make it look a little bit less ugly. In my head, this kind of reminded me of Blood Gulch from Halo. The colors we have going on there, for some reason it did. It does all kind of look a little bit like poo-poo right now, but it's functional. Got the cars, they fit on there, they do the rock crawly things, and it's a good way to come down here and have fun occasionally when we're not busy with other stuff. Since at least my plan is to try and get our second filmer who's up there making dinner right now a little bit more acquainted and try and teach her how to drive using these little props on the table here before we go drive a real Jeep. Because if we have our little toys here and we can just okay, we're good to go. Whereas if I go flip an actual Jeep, we're gonna have some serious problems. So yeah, that's where that's at. That's why we don't have a normal video for the probably 5 people that are gonna click this and watch it. If I don't have an extremely clickbait thumbnail, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll probably have a clickbaity thumbnail of the ZJ when I picked it up in the thumbnail, or I'll throw some pictures right now as I'm talking. Hopefully you guys enjoyed whatever this video was. We'll see if we get demonetized. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.